Do you suffer from knee pain? You're not alone. Studies show that 1 in 4 adults experience knee pain, but don't worry. I've got some simple exercises to help you strengthen and protect those precious knees. Stick around, and let's dive into some easy, effective exercises you can do right at home. But first, a quick disclaimer.
Always consult with your doctor before beginning any new exercise regimen. Stop immediately if you experience any pain.
Knee pain is more common than you might think, with a 65% increase in cases over the past 20 years. But why suffer when there are ways to ease that discomfort? Let's jump into how Pilates can be a game changer for your knee health. Pilates is known for its low-impact movements that help build strength, especially in the muscles that support your knees. By targeting your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, you can stabilize those joints and reduce pain. First up, the shoulder bridge prep. Lie on your back. Knees bent. Feet hip-width apart. Breathe deeply, engage your core, and lift your hips off the floor. Hold for a few breaths, then slowly lower. This move strengthens your glutes and stabilizes your knees.
Fun fact: did you know that your knees absorb nearly 3 times your body weight when climbing stairs? That's why strengthening these muscles is crucial.
Next, we have the half roll down. Sit upright, knees bent, and gently roll back until your arms are straight. This exercise is great for engaging your core and stabilizing your knees. Remember, it's all about slow, controlled movements.
Strong core muscles can help reduce strain on your knees by promoting better posture and alignment. Now, let's get into squats. One of the most effective exercises for knee strength. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself, as if you're sitting on a chair. And make sure your knees stay aligned with your toes. Squats not only strengthen your legs, but also stabilize your knees. For the straight leg raise, lie on your back, one knee bent, and the other leg straight. Slowly lift the straight leg until it's at the same height as your bent knee. This move targets your quadriceps and improves knee stability. Finally, we have the standing hamstring curl. Grab a chair for support, bend one knee to bring your heel toward your glutes, and then lower slowly. This strengthens your hamstrings and supports your knee joint. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions for each exercise, and you'll be on your way to healthier, pain-free knees. These exercises aren't miracle cures, but they can reduce knee pain by up to 30% if done regularly. Add them to your weekly routine. Pair them with a balanced diet, and keep moving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more health tips. See you next time!